Good morning, neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and her trusty sidekick is over here, Harrietta. She's in her bed. She's all comfy, cozy. Yeah. And Mooney, he's on the table. I gotta get him off. I know, but you can't go on, Mooney. You? Okay. Wash my hands. So how is everyone doing? Today, I'm making hubby breakfast this morning. I'm making poutine. Poutine, as they say in Quebec. 1 second. I should have started by saying, Bonjour les voisins, c'est moi, Jerry Ellen. Hello neighbors, it is I, Jerry Ellen. So, back to doing some cooking here. I'm gonna make a breakfast poutine. So in Quebec, there's a popular restaurant there that makes a nice poutine gravy. So I picked up a can of it.
Saint Hubert.
Just the homage to Quebec. Yeah, so there's many different poutines. But if you want to be authentic and original, you need curds, cheese curds. So I got some cheese curds. You can get yellow or white cheese curds. The white cheese curds are the best for poutine. Okay? Also, we also make it with different cheeses, but shh, don't tell them in Quebec. But authentic cheese curds, and they taste delicious. And they're also called squeaky cheese. If you bite on it, I'll open this up 1 second. I got fries going, and I got my pan heating up. There's lots of different like stuff you can put on your fries. So then you can, I'll take a little piece of it. And then if it squeaks, it's really good cheese, like really good curds. These are okay. There's a deli nearby. It wasn't open this morning yet, so they have really good cheese curds. These are Walmart, but they're still good. They're still tasty. It's a cheddar cheese kind of flavor. Anyway. I'll probably do some more poutines as well. My sausage is still partly frozen. I'm gonna fry them all because they're easily heated up for when Casey and them get up later. So I'll just... Actually, I'm gonna... I like to cut a few, but they're still kind of frozen. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. S'il vous plaît. How is everyone? And I'd say, comment ça va? How are you? And I'm going to tell you it's hot. Il fait chaud. It is hot. It's going to be a hot day today. A hot one. You go from cold to hot, it's crazy. I gotta top up. It's getting kind of cool. I gotta heat up my coffee. You gotta see the sausage frying because that's part of the fun of cooking this breakfast poutine. Look at that sausage frying in there. It looks so delicious. I got the fries in the air fryer. I'm going to cut some of these sausage. Okay. I'm just going to throw that in the sink now. My gravy's heating up. Hopefully Graham is going to be ready to eat. So just do up the eggs the way that you enjoy them. I'm going to do them the way hubby enjoys them here. I'll take the fries out. I fed hubby. I was going to video hubby's, but you know me. Don't press the record button. You don't get to see it. Anyway, I'm going to do up another. Do up another one there, Jerry. Why not? pepper on your stuff. You do, you do. Let's do this. I need pepper. Salt. Sausage. This is breakfast sausage. Okay. My cheese curds. Uh-oh. One on the floor. Okay. The heat will start to melt the cheese curds. More pepper. So far so good. And we like a crisp edge and a yolk I can break. At least this is how I like mine. And Graham does. There we have it. Breakfast poutine. I'm gonna have a tasty poo. Oh, sacre bleu. All right. If you give it a minute, it will start to melt up this cheese. Oh. Anyway, you can imagine how good it is because it's very messy for me to eat. It's going to be cheesy meltiness. Going to have, look, the egg. Oh, drop your fry. Dip your fry in. But anyway, it's going to be super, super tasty. I'm going to do poutines again. I'm going to do it like different poutines. This is a breakfast one. There's a gazillion poutines I can make. Merci, voisin, s'il vous plaît, visitez à nouveau. So thank you, neighbors. Please visit again. Au revoir.
Okay.
Hi, hon.
Hi. We've been to Quebec and Montreal, and this beats them both hands down.
Thanks,
If
hon.
you've never tried it, you don't know what you're missing. 2 thumbs up.
Thanks, baby.